Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll discuss about enumerate function in Python. What is enumerate function and what are the benefits of enumerate functions? So let's open the PDF file that I have made. See, enumerate function adds a counter, enumerate method add a counter to an iterable and returns it in a form of enumerate object. This enumerated object can then be used directly in for loop or be converted into a list of tuples using list method. Okay, so now this is the basic things, and there are two parameters. If we talk about syntax, then enumerate and iterable and then start. So the enumerate parameters are iterable, this is an iterable, a sequence, an iterator or object that supports iteration. Okay, and start is optional, we can provide if we want, otherwise this is optional. So enumerate starts counting from this number. If we does not provide, then by default it is 0. If starts is not mentioned, then it is taken as 0 as default. Okay, and now what it will return value from enumerate. The enumerate method adds counter to an iterable and returns it. The returned object is an enumerated object, and you can convert enumerate object to list and tuple using list and tuple method respectively, that we have discussed here only. Okay, and see, I'll show you what is the difference between range and enumerate function, because range, sometimes we say that range is non-Pythonic way, but enumerate is more Pythonic way with respect to range. Okay, so let's open my PyCharm. Okay, so see, I have made one program here only. So what I'll do, I'll see, execute one by one. First we'll comment we comment these things, and see, if we talk about list and if we execute list range, then what the output it comes. See, 0 1 2 up to 4, this is about a range. Okay, and now in the same way, if we execute enumerate function, then what happens? See, it by default it gives the range. Okay, see here, remove here also so that we can compare. See, it is giving this way and it is giving this way, so the index is by default in enumerate function. Okay, and now if we want to give the start, let's suppose it will start from number 7. So see how it gives the output. See, 7 10 8 20 and then 9 30. Okay, so this way give the output. Now this is the basic, and now if we apply, see, I have created one list and I have applied the for loop in that list. Okay, see, L1 equals to Ram, Sham and Veem, and for L2 in enumerate L1 print L2. If we print this one, then what happens? See, by default it is giving the 0, and see, if we starts from start start equals to, let's suppose 1. Okay, so it will start from 1. See, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, and see, for the same list, if we want to print by using range function, then what? First of all, we have to provide the length of a list, and then we have to iterate. Okay, so specifically we have to provide the proxy index I as I. Okay, so see 0 1 2 3. Okay, in this way I can represent. So this is the basic difference of enumerate and range. See, if I plus 1 here, if I'll mention I plus 1, then see what happens. See, then it becomes 1, 2, 3, and here is a function already, stars equals to 1. So these are the basic difference. And if we see the difference, see, range is a built-in function used to iterate through a sequence of number. Enumerate is a built-in function to iterate through sequence and keep track of both index and the number as well. You can pass in an optional start parameter to indicate which number the index should start at the specified index. Okay, and there is a difference also to consider, that enumerate gives direct access to the index and the value, where range only provides indices. Okay, so this is the basic difference of enumerate and range function. So basically enumerate function is more Pythonic. So the basic idea and basic motto in this tutorial, the enumerate function is more Pythonic. So thanks for watching the video. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.